What's up guys, welcome back to my new video. This time I am going to show you the unboxing and first look of a TTL flash which is called the Speedlight, which is from Neewer. So I've got the package delivered to me today and I'm just gonna unbox it and show you what's in there and what are the functions. So let's get started guys. This is the box that we get in our Speedlight. I'm just gonna show you what's just inside the box here, front, and yeah, I got it for my Nikon D5600, and guide number is 58, and yeah, it supports TTL, talk to the lens, which means that your camera and your lens communicates with each other to fix the certain ISO and exposure to get that perfect shot. It's good for the beginners and even the pros use it. So it also has manual mode and strobe mode and also slave mode. So let's open this up without delay, see what we can get inside. So I'm gonna quickly run you through what I got in the box. Firstly is the beginning user manual. It's in Chinese for some strange reason, but of course there will be English as well. So yeah, a lot of paperwork here, but yeah, it explains a lot of functions and details. It's in Chinese, and there's something like warranty card. Yeah, it's a warranty card, more or less in different languages. That's there. And this is the stand for it, where you slide the flash here and then you place it somewhere and have it act as a slave. I'm going to show you how it works in a while. So this is the flash itself. It comes with this cute pouch that I found here, and it's quite easy to open up. And well, it feels kind of heavy, but I don't know, it's gonna be balanced out with my DSLR and the other stuff, and everything is intact. So this is the IR sensor and this is the flash head. On the head I'll show you, we have a bounce guard right here, if you can see it, and then a diffuser, so it goes down there. You can use the bounce guard if you want, or just a diffuser. It's up to you, but yeah, that's usually built in some high standard lenses, but this has that option, so that's really nice. So the flash head tilts this way, so I think yeah, it's 90 degrees, and then to the left and all the way back, so 270 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically. So that's a good option right there. And the other stuff as well, this is the controls that I'm going to show you once it's turned on. And it takes, as far as I know, 4 AA batteries, which I have with me. So I'm just going to insert the batteries and just power it on and see how it goes. Put the batteries in, let's just close the door. Well, that's kind of fiddly at first. Okay. Yep, my first reaction was closing the door was quite hard, but anyways, wow, with the batteries it seems even very heavy. But yeah, let's see how it works. So just gonna turn it on. It makes a loud noise once it turns on. And I'll show the screen right here. There are a lot of settings. It's in TTL by default, and it has manual mode where you can change the exposure value and aperture value, and then strobe lighting where it fires like a strobe, like a disco light. It's also nice. And slave 1, slave 2, Slave basically means that it acts as a slave to a primary flash. For example, if you have a flash mounted on your camera and then you want that flash to act as a master, and this is a slave, it adds that way. So in the TTL mode it's all automatic, the camera sets it, and we have the zoom option here. So we click on zoom and then you can increase it to maximum 180 millimeters and minimum to, I think, goes all up to 18. So for all the lens I own, this zoom capacity is really nice. So let's quickly see with the manual mode, and then we'll see the light exposure right here, and it has all the stops here. So I'm just gonna make it almost 1/8 of a stop, ISO 100, and then if you click on the pilot button, it shoots the flash and you can have a test right there. So I'm gonna go, it's quite bright, and the specifications that I read, it has a recycle time of 3 seconds. We're gonna test it as well. Let's see. It's roughly about 3 seconds at 1/2 of the power. Let's go all the way up to, I think, 100% of the power. I think that's 30, 16, 4, 1. Yeah, 100%, and let's see how much recycle time we get. Well, it's really nice for me. Let's check the zoom as well. Increase it to 85, 105. Okay, and then say this way. I hope it doesn't blind the camera. Yeah, all in all, I really like the flash because the recycle time is not ideal for some wedding photography or something, but if you're a hobbyist and if you would like to make some nice pictures outside where it's backlit situation, it comes in really handy. So then again, there's nothing to complain about it. And the TTL mode, what you get for this price, and yeah, the price I got it for around 50 euros or something. So yeah, for this price to get a TTL and a good flash is highly recommended. So I would recommend it as well. And let me just quickly grab my camera D5600 and show you how it looks on the camera. Yeah, so I have this camera with me, and if you wanna see, I recently did an unboxing of the battery grip. You can check this video out in the link here. Also about the skin, the camouflage skin. I'm also gonna post about how I got the skin, the easy cover skin to work on the battery grip. So stay tuned for my next videos. But right now I'm gonna work on the flash. So open this up. Let's see, one-handed operation here. Slide it in. Hope you can see it. Yep, I've slid it in. And then tighten the screw right here so that it's secure and tight. Okay. So this is how it looks on the camera. So I'm gonna take the trash out here and show you how it looks. So on the camera it looks neat, but overall it feels really heavy. But I personally like heavy cameras and flashes, and it gives me a better grip to hold on. So yeah, I would say yeah, it's quite recommended, and yeah, I would definitely buy a second one anytime in the future when I need it. But that's about it, guys. If you have any more questions for me about the flash, about the camera or anything, kindly let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer all your questions. And also don't forget to subscribe to my boy Chetan's channel. I'll put the channel in the description as well. You can subscribe to him to watch some exciting biking videos. So thank you very much for watching again. See you next time. Ciao.